Alright, me and my brother have made it, see, with our bikes to a dam. It's pretty awesome out here. Really beautiful weather and everything. You can see right here. Sorry, I'm just exhausted. We came here on bikes all the way from Columbus, just riding around. See, there's a road going that way, all the way over there. See, there's a road right here. How you doing, Stacy? I'm just kidding. There's some people still here. See how cool it is? It's really far down there.
Without lights, it's still recording.
Yeah. Well, that's kind of bad quality at daytime. See, we're getting to the place where it's beautiful. Huh? People out here. This is boat place, pit stop for boats. Whoa. You see this gooses over there? Yeah, we're riding, you know, riding through here, trying to go kind of fast because it's very late, maybe 8 p.m. 8 or 9. Yeah, I'm gonna cut to this place. That's why I'm checking it out, because it looks like it has a lot of area where there could be some treasure here, you know. But yeah, basically, that's what we're talking about. So pretty out here. I've been here a couple of times, maybe 10. And you can see over there, we're getting to that dam area where it's pretty. So yeah, catch you guys in a little bit. So we're getting closer to the dam. See, that's the office area, I think. See over there, no swimming. See, this is where the out water area is. It's kind of evening times. Pretty awesome out here, you know, just me and my brother relaxing before we go home. See, from this angle, see how pretty over here. Looks really awesome. So pretty out here. See lights at midnight. Well, nighttime, basically, kind of. So we go to the other side. See, we're out here in the dam. Oh man, it's catching my breath. See how awesome it looks out here? Really far down. So what if I drop my camera? There's the 120 bucks gone. Woo! See how pretty it is? It's really far down. How much feet is it? How much feet down is it? 70, 100? This person running over there. Dang, man. Such a beautiful place. Yeah. See the spiders crawling on here. Woo! Dude, he's getting ready to sting somebody. See out there, he's rolling right in through there. Yeah, lights are pretty dark. I mean, bright. Dang. Woo! Getting goosies over here. Remember? I'm getting goosies over here. Then you see how badly it's bursting over there. Huh? I was like, it was hard to hear her with my D in her mouth. It's like, maybe we should do this some other time. Oh, it's so awesome down here. Huh? There's people running around. Well, we're gonna try to head that way and see how it looks from there. Wow. So beautiful. Recording it here. So freaking awesome over here. Oh. Whoa, man. It's some wind. You can see that wind in my hair. Anyways. I know, man. Huh? There's people walking around. See, saying it's midnight, already dark. Woo! Alright, so. Okay, say it. How much feet is in Russian?
20 meters, I think.
How do you say it in Russian?
20 метров, я думаю.
He's trying to say 20 feet in Russian. Dude, it's so freaking awesome. You can see right here, there's a little place. Whoa, 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 whoa. I almost fell. You see there's like a place, another place where you can get the view of this place. Well, that doesn't make sense at all. Kind of. See, there's lights already getting dark over here. See how beautiful down there is. Should have came here in daytime. Might have been a very better quality. Dude, it's so awesome down here. It's really far down. Dang. Whoa. No, it's really scary out here. Yeah. Let's say right here. Woo! Dang. Huh? Yeah, it's freaking scary, man. We're gonna drop something down there, maybe. Yeah, you can see over there, there's gooses and everything walking around, basically, maybe. Whoa. Dude, fresh wind. It feels like we're in Titanic, right? Dang, look at that. Such a beautiful evening. Oh yeah, say, birds always stay over here. You can see there's little nests, birds hide in there sometimes. See people walk around. Whoa. Such a beauty, I tell you, man. I know. See, this is the other side. There's a person fishing and stuff. See how awesome over here is. What's up? He's like, wait. What's up, Stan? Another spider, are you serious? What? There's another spider, I guess.
See the legs, I think. He's sitting there.
Oh yeah, it's inside the hole. I can barely see that.
Let's push around.
See, there's a spider over there. Yeah, bother, come on. Yeah, you just made it go in further. Well, whatever, dude. But dang, it's so pretty out here, I'm telling you. This area is the calm area, that one's the crazy. Yeah, you can see this place right here. There's water over there bursting. Yeah. But it's such a beautiful place, I'm telling you. There's a woman over there. Wow. That's pretty as hell. Alright, follow me. Make the camera go towards me. Yeah, you too. That's all you have to do, yeah. I wasn't going really fast. I could have went like 50 miles an hour. Alright, record me again. So I just went uphill from all the top over there to downhill. It's freaking awesome, man. Alright. That's good enough. See by the dam over here, there's some kind of Hoover Dam. That's where exactly we're at. Water supply reserve. See, there's still planes flying around. I'm on the other side. It's kind of like 3 times darker here than over there. Let me run through here real quick. Like, my brother's exercising here because it's kind of better. It's kind of better over here. Try to show you the dam from this side. How awesome it looks. See it right here. It's exactly what it is. So awesome over here, I'm telling you. See, that's the other water part. People running around. Yeah, pretty neat.